Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. Fabulous Friday. Last night, I prepared chicken parmesan meatballs and creamy skillet egg noodles with peas. It was a wonderful meal. It was very homey. I don't know if that's a word, but it was fun. It was good. Worked with ground chicken for the first time. And it was a little, to be quite honest, at least what I had was a little wet. So I had to add more breadcrumbs than what the recipe called for. But that's okay. They ended up, it's a simple recipe. It's you can doctor these meatballs up anyway. Or as I would say, casual chef them up. Or casual chef them. Super simple. But very good. And the egg noodle dish, yeah, I'll do it again. Yum. Both recipes are up in the group. Enjoy. Today, there was a little bit of miscommunication last week. I really do look at Robin's schedule. But I thought she had a meeting today in Oakland. I'm having fun. No, it's actually a Zoom meeting, and she's not going to Oakland. So I didn't schedule or plan a meal for today. We're having pizza. Papa Murphy's. Robin's bringing it home. So no cooking for me today. Sorry. And I'm not cooking tomorrow. We'll probably have leftovers. I don't know. So I'm going to keep it short today. Have a great, fabulous Friday. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.